Well, good morning, everybody. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. About to go to the gym and slam some chest. You ready, baby?
Slam it.
Feeling good. Starting the day bright and early the right way. Alright, y'all. Leaving the gym now. We got here at 4 o'clock, or like 4:10, 4:20. Totally empty. And then like around 5 o'clock, freaking floodgates opened and a whole bunch of people walked in. Took all the benches. I'm so excited to get my own gym. Y'all don't even know.
Robert is now filming me.
What are we doing?
We're doing the morning live.
Morning Instagram live?
Morning Instagram live. So, I mean, that's pretty
Real quick,
much...
had to get a clip for the YouTube video. Doing our live right now. Trying the new coffee. This is decaf coffee with almond... Where's that bottle? The almond milk creamer. And what y'all thinking? And the verdict is... not near as good as real coffee, but not bad.
It's decaf.
What are you doing?
I'm going to get tinfoil.
Sammy's. 6,000 per thing?
Yeah.
That's for 12,000 pricks right there, y'all.
Bam.
Boom. Alright, y'all. We're getting some ribeye steaks here at Sam's. I don't really like the marbling on any of these ribeyes, to be honest with y'all, but we'll give one a shot here. We're also getting some Sadler's beef brisket. This stuff is pre-cooked. The ingredients are super clean. The macros for 3 ounces are 19 grams of fat, 0 grams of carbs, and 21 grams of protein. I'm also getting a mop head, but I'm not going to be using them both at the same time. Alright, back at the house now, working on clients, working on emails, working on 7-set Monday because I didn't get it out yesterday. But we're going to take a break, get something to eat, check it out. I got my salt pork with that brisket and an avocado. And Crystal has got eggs and the salt pork. What's up, y'all? Taking a little lunch break from the emails. I figured I'd try the pork cracklings that I bought yesterday. Cracklings, by the way, are I think better tasting than pork rinds. They have like a leather, like a little bit thicker layer of fat. And it's got like a crunch, but then like almost like a chewing texture on the inside. Pretty good. Swinging by my uncle's warehouse, pick up another pallet. Making waves, y'all, making waves. You know the coolest thing about picking up a pallet of ingredients from my uncle? Because my uncle works here, so does my grandfather, and my aunt, and my uncle, my other uncle. So every time I come in, at least somebody in my family's here, and I get to swing by and say howdy. You know, shake my pop's hand, visit with him for a few minutes. It's the best part of doing business in Arkansas, close to my family. Love my family. Alright, y'all, so today is pretty much done, and I haven't gotten very much footage. And let me tell you why. I just been hustling all day long. Honestly, I've been on the computer, haven't really been distracted at all. I was a little bit distracted for a minute because I was looking up one of the podcasts I had today. We got to talking about guns, and so then after the podcast, I had to like Google a couple different guns because I had guns on my mind. But that's beside the point. Did not really get distracted today. I was just like laser focused, and I didn't get hardly any sleep last night. I got 4 hours of sleep. My sleep quality sucked, but I've been just killing it today. And here's the reason why. This is a theory I have, and I wrote about this in the last newsletter. 7-set Sunday newsletter, which I published today, so it's a 7-set Monday newsletter. But I've been like paying a lot of attention to, you know, waking up, the alarm clock, sleep quality, how that kind of sets the tone for the day. And I wrote about this in detail in the newsletter, but basically to recap, you know, I used to have a whole bunch of alarms set on my phone. Like I have one set for 4 o'clock, 4:05, 4:10, 4:15, 4:30, 4:45, 5 o'clock. You get the point. And when you do that, you basically give yourself an out. Like if you miss the first alarm, or if you stop the first alarm, or if you snooze the first alarm, you're almost guaranteed to just, you know, do that because you know you've got the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 10th alarm coming. Crystal's the worst with this, y'all. She literally has, like, I scroll through her phone, she's got like 30 alarms on her phone. Blows my mind. But hopefully she didn't see this video and catch me saying that. Anyways, my theory is this. If you only have one alarm on your phone, you're going to put more of a significance on that one alarm. So when it goes off, it's like, okay, that's the real deal. There's no second chances. Like, that's the one that counts. If I don't wake up now, I know I'm going to doze off to sleep, and there's not going to be anything else to wake me back up. So I've changed my alarm clock strategy. I now only have one alarm clock, and I don't have a snooze button. I disabled that feature. And instead of having the phone by my nightstand, I have it charging on my clothes rack, which is on the other side of the room. So I basically have to wake up, have to get out of bed, have to hit that one alarm to silence that rooster crowing. And that, to me, in my mind, is like a foolproof way to make sure that I actually get up out of bed, and then obviously don't lay back in bed and fall asleep again. But since I woke up this morning at 4 a.m., it's been just like nonstop, and I've set the stage for the rest of the day. I've just been getting things done all day long, and I feel much more productive. You know, I kind of had a little rant video a while back about, you know, you still have 2 more months left in the year, and any resolutions you made at the beginning of the year, you still have time to, you know, work towards those and strive towards those. And one of mine was just hustling, you know, just grinding. And I don't want to squander any time during the week, especially. I'm trying to have like more of a balance and spend more time with Crystal and do some things that are just more fun and just kind of a disconnect, so that I can bring more focus and intensity when I am working and in the zone during the weekends. But during the week, I just want to be freaking hustling. And I'm not going to do that if I'm lazy with how the day starts, because that's going to, you know, just carry out throughout the day. So no more lazy mornings, no more lazy days, no more crap, all right? I've got a vision, and I've got a goal, and I'm going to achieve that. And I'm not going to do it by hitting the freaking snooze button every morning. So that is my plan there. Again, this is a short video, so sorry about that, but I've just been getting things done. I got all my emails done pretty much. I got all my clients checked in. I got a podcast done. I got the newsletter done. I got a lot of stuff done today, and I feel good about that. And I did it because I didn't start the day off in a lazy fashion. So don't start the day off lazy. Wake up and attack the day with intensity and purpose, and be more excited about what you have going on that day than you are staying in bed for another 5 minutes. You know, that's important. Like, I'm kind of just rambling at this point, so forgive me there. But, you know, like when you were a kid, you woke up on Christmas morning, like your parents couldn't hold you in bed if they wanted to, because you're so excited about what's about to happen. You know, waking up Christmas morning. Like, every single freaking day should be that way. You should have something so motivating, so driving going on every single day that you're just excited to get out of bed and do it. And that's pretty much my soapbox for the night. So I'll see you tomorrow.